Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious lentil stew with fluffy dumplings. I'll make a start with the dumplings. They're really easy. I've weighed out 113 grams of plain flour into a bowl and I'll add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'll add a pinch of salt. I'm going to add some herbs and spices to the mix. I'll add 1 big pinch of white pepper, half a teaspoon of parsley, a half teaspoon of rosemary and a half teaspoon of thyme. I'll have the full list of ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Now I'll just give everything a good mix together. Now that I've mixed everything together really well, I'm going to add 75 milliliters of milk. I'm using a dairy-free milk, but you could use cow's milk as well. I've added enough milk to form a wet sticky dough. I'll put that to one side to rest for a few minutes, and I've preheated my oven to 180 Celsius. So after chopping up 1 onion, I've added 2 tablespoons of oil to my casserole dish, and I'll get the onions nice and soft under a medium heat. I've also chopped up 1 celery stick and 1 carrot, and I'll sweat those off as well. Now that the vegetables are softened down a bit, I'm going to add some herbs and spices. Okay, so I'm going to add half a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of rosemary, a half teaspoon of oregano, a big pinch of white pepper, and then I'll add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and I've turned the heat off at this point, and I'll add a big pinch of cayenne pepper. In goes a tablespoon of tomato puree, and I've washed 113 grams of dried red lentils, and I'm just going to throw those in as well. I'm adding a couple of drops of browning, not to worry if you haven't got this. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. I've just crushed in 1 veggie stock cube. And I'll pour in some boiling water. Then I'm just going to spoon in the dumpling mixture. Once I'm done spooning the mixture on top, I'll cook this in the oven at 180 Celsius. I'll keep an eye on it, adding more boiling water if I need to. I'll keep it in the oven until all the vegetables and lentils are soft and the dumplings are golden on top and soft at the bottom. And there it is, lentil stew with dumplings. So easy and simple but tasty. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.